Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, what I'm about to show you is how you can buy USDT using the P2P feature inside Bitget. So what you do first, obviously, is to create an account with Bitget Exchange and verify your account. After you've done that, you want to make sure you have some money in your bank account where you can use mobile app to make transfers. And the reason why you want to use your mobile app and not USDT code is so that you can do a screenshot and show a proof of transaction on your mobile phone where necessary. So you want to make sure you have some money in your bank app where you can make a bank transfer and also a verified Bitget Exchange account. So now let's go over to the P2P marketplace to buy some USDT for ourselves. So follow me as I show you exactly how to do that. So what you do here is click on assets at the bottom right corner of your page in Bitget. Once you click on that, it's going to bring up this page, and what you want to do here is to click on where it says add funds at the top of the page. Once you click on add funds, it will bring up this page. Okay? So where it says buy crypto with, the first option is buy with debit card, second option with P2P trading, the third option bank transfer, but the method we're going to use today is P2P trading, and here is set to NGN, which is Nigerian Naira, because I am currently in Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian. So what you do is click on where it says P2P trading, and if you click on that, you can see you're going to get some rewards for using P2P trading here in Bitget. So click on that, and it's going to bring out several people that are willing to sell USDT to you here on Bitget. And when you get to this page, we are going to be setting some filters that will connect us to the right sellers that we can buy from. What I mean is, once you get to this page, click on where it says method. That's method of payments, the method you're willing to pay with. So as I told you from the beginning, we are willing to pay with bank transfers. So click on method to set that up. Once you click on that method, it's going to bring to this page, and what you do here is click on where it says bank transfers, because that's the method we want to use, because we have some money in our bank account, so we want to use our mobile app to do the transfers. So click on bank transfers, and it's going to bring this page that filters anybody that wants to sell via bank transfers. They are willing to receive your money through bank transfers, and that's why this will be listed here. And there's another filter we want to set again, which includes the amount of money you want to spend in buying USDT. In my case, I want to use 10,000 naira, so let's click on limits to set that limit. Here the limit I'm going to set is 10,000 naira, so click on 10,000 and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to bring up people that are willing to sell USDT worth of 10,000 naira and are willing to accept bank transfers. Okay, and that's our method. So what we do is, I will use the first person here is restricted, but this person is willing to sell from 5,000 to 100,000 naira, but that account is restricted for now. The second person is willing to sell from 5,000 naira to 143,000 naira, and we are going to be using that person now. We are going to be buying from that person. So click on buy. Okay, once you click on buy, it will open up this page, and once again you're asked to confirm how much you are going to buy with. So set here again 10,000 naira, as we already said before, 10,000. Okay, after you set your 10,000, the second option is bank transfer. That's already how much you're going to be getting, $5.91. So that's the estimate of what you're going to be getting when you make this transfer. So click on where it says buy USDT with 0 fees. Click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to bring the details of the person you're going to be sending this money to that will release the USDT to you. So what you do here is check correctly to see that your amount you're going to spend is 10,000 naira. The price per USDT is 1,690 naira 80 kobo. The quantity of USDT you're going to be getting when you make this transfer is $5.91. 591 USDT. The payment method is bank transfers. The order is this, the order time is this, the note is this. So Make sure you're okay with all the information listed here. Then you click on next. Okay, once you click on next, make sure you're ready to make transfer to this account, to an account they will provide to you. Immediately the account pops up within, let's say, within 10 to 15 minutes. So click on next. Once you click on next, this is the person's details. As you can see, this is the bank name, this is the bank account number, and this is the username. Okay, so make sure you pay to this account. As you can see below, it says please use an account under your name, okay, to make the transfer. If payment account and your personal information do not match, the seller may request a refund or cancel the order. That means you that you're making this transfer, that you want to buy this USDT, you want to make sure you don't use another person's phone, your friend's phone, your family member's phone, to make the transfer to that person. Use your own phone, your own bank account that carries your name. Your name that you use in registering your Bitget account is the name that will be on the bank transfer. Do not use another person's phone to make the transfer. Let's say take your friend's phone to make a transfer to the person. No, use your own phone that carries your name. It's very important, because if you don't do that, you can lose your money and you will not get the USDT. So make sure you get that. Now we are going to get down the name of the person, the bank account number, and the account name, so that we can make the transfer immediately we get out of this page. So I'm going to write that down real quick so I can make that transfer. The bank account number is this. Then the bank name is Money Point. And don't make transfer to this bank details I'm showing here. This is what I'm doing. So do it on your own phone and you see the account you pay to. So you don't go and pay to this account. If you do that, you will lose your money. Please be guided. I want to make sure this is correct. Okay, I'll click on pay. So I'll go ahead and make that transfer right now. Now when you click on pay to bring up this page, what's on this page also is still the bank details of the person you're about to buy USDT from. And as you can see, it says I have transferred 10,000 naira to the above account. You must make sure you pay this money and you confirm that the money has been transferred successfully before you come back to this page to click on confirm. If you do that, if you click on confirm while you haven't transferred the money, you may have some problem. But this page, you don't want to X out of this page. Make sure you keep this page safe. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to minimize this page and go into our bank mobile app to make this transfer. So I'm going to use OPay. So I'm going to go over to my OPay dashboard. And once you're into OPay, you're going to click on transfer to bank, because what I want to transfer here is 10,000 naira to that account that I've copied. Now enter the 10th account number digit. So I'm going to put the account number I copied. The account name, sorry, the bank name is Money Point. I'm going to select that, and the account name is this. It's correct. So click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to ask you the amount you want to pay, you want to transfer to this person, and in my case it's 10,000. After you put in 10,000, where it says remark, you can write something that will make the person know that you're paying for USDT. So let me write payments for P2P transfer of that, you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to ask you to confirm the account details you want to make this transfer to. It says this is the first time you are sending money to this account. Double check the transfer details before you proceed. Okay, it's correct. Click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to bring out this page again for another set of confirmation. Where are you transferring your money from? As you can see here, it says from Access Bank, because I have this option here, so I'm going to click on this and change it to my OPay balance. Click on see all, and what I have here is in my balance, not in my bank account. My balance, as you can see, it has changed from the Access Bank to wallet balance. Click on pay, put in my payment details, and it says be alert, double check when sending funds. Okay, that's no problem. I'm going to continue, but it's taking like 1 more second for me to confirm. Okay, continue, and the transaction has been made. As you can see, 10,000 naira has been successfully transferred. I click on done. My balance was 10,300, but now it is left with just 300 because I have made a transfer of 10,000 naira. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait a little bit, and now let's go over to that app, to Bitget, to click on I have made the transfer. So let's go over to Bitget. Once you get to Bitget here, it says I have made the transfer. Click on I have made transfer to the account. Once you click on that, the confirm button is now active. Then click on confirm, because you have made the transfer and the transaction was successful. Click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, the person will now check. Once the person receives your money, he's going to check the transaction, confirm the buyer on Bitget, and then forward the USDT 5.91 to your Bitget wallet, to your Bitget Exchange account. So let's wait for some minutes while this transaction comes in. Let's hold on and wait for this transaction to come in. As you can see, we are waiting for a countdown of 30 seconds before we can file an appeal for this transaction. And as you can see, it says other inquiry, view assets. Let's see, it looks like this. Okay, completed. The seller has released coins. You have successfully purchased 5.91 USDT. Okay, that means the person has released the coin to us, and now the transaction has been successful. So let's click on view asset to see and confirm that the money has arrived inside of my Bitget Exchange account. And boom, here it is. As you can see, I have USDT, which is USDT Theta 5.91 inside of Bitget, and whoa, that is it. So, and here you can see I've been able to buy USDT worth of $5.91. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, and if you have any question about this process, or if anything you want me to say about it, any question you have at all, put that comment in the comment section below, and I will reply you as soon as possible. In my next video, I will also show you how you can transfer this USDT into Toncoin, or transfer from Toncoin into your Bitget wallet, because what we do now, we did it in Bitget as exchange, but I will show you how you can transfer from your Bitget exchange into your Bitget wallet address.